This is the same automation running two ways. One of them bills you every month and the bill grows the more you use it. The other has been running on my laptop every morning for free. Same result, one word of difference: self-hosted. Let me show you the pricing math the subscription tools would rather you skip. This is Zapier's pricing page today in dollars. Free gets you 100 tasks a month. The first paid tier is $19.99 a month. The next is $69. And Enterprise is a phone call. Reasonable-looking numbers until you find out what a task actually is. Straight from Zapier's own page, a task is counted every time one of your steps takes an action for you, not per automation, per step, per run. A workflow with 2 action steps running a few times a day is not one task. It is dozens a week. That 100-task free tier empties fast, and every plan above it is priced the same way. The more useful it is, the more you pay. Here is that same kind of workflow in self-hosted n8n, my morning briefing agent. This is its real execution history. A run every morning, and the total bill for all of it is 0. Not a free tier with a counter. 0, because it runs on hardware I already own, with no per-task meter running. And getting here is one command. n8n runs as a single Docker container, your data on your own disk, no account required to start building. If you can paste one line, you can replace the plan you are on. Full walkthrough is the n8n tutorial linked below. Now the fair part. Zapier runs the servers, so uptime is their problem, not yours. Their connectors for the big commercial apps are more polished, and there are thousands of them. And when something breaks, there is a support team on the other end. You are paying for convenience, and for some people that is worth it. So who should not switch? If you run 1 or 2 simple automations, the free tier is genuinely fine, stay on it. If your workflows plug into systems your employer controls, ask them first. Self-hosting wins when you automate a lot, or when the data simply should not leave your building. And self-hosted is not truly free either. It costs a little electricity, the occasional update, and your own attention when something needs a nudge. What it does not cost is a fee that climbs with every task you automate. That is the whole trap in per-task pricing, in one line. It charges you the most exactly when the tool is working the hardest for you. 3 takeaways. 1. Per-task pricing punishes the people who automate the most. 2. One Docker command replaces the plan most small teams are paying for. 3. Before you renew, open the pricing page and run the math on your own usage. It is right there. If this saved you money, subscribe. Next video, an AI agent that reads your inbox and drafts the replies without your email ever leaving your machine.